Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today, because I forgot to hit. So ang pag-pronounce lang hit. I forgot to hit, hit. I forgot to hit the recording button. Now the app is already completed and I'll just have to explain this to you. So 2 years ago, I have implemented this Auth0 implementation and I forgot how I did it, and now I was able to retrieve it. And this particular implementation is using the login via front end because you can also use Auth0 to be implemented in the back end and the login. Just going to pass the username and password in the front end to the back end, and the back end will authenticate it. But in this particular implementation, we're using the Auth0 library and to log in directly from the front end. And how we did it is first you're going to install this Auth0 the zero angler and this Auth0 version is 2 point something right now, and my previous implementation is still in 1.8. So this is in 2.0, and they have some changes in how the auth module for root is configured. You're now going to supply the domain and client ID here, and then the redirect URI will be in here. Before it was in the logged in, or yeah, I think it was in the login function, but now it's here in the root, in the module configuration, and then you're going to provide the redirect URI. And I created a standalone module callback, and then here I load the component so that it will go to the callback, this one here. And then yeah, so to set up the login, you need to log in and if so if the auth, this is from the library, from the service here, auth, and this is just for the document so that you can um like get the return to like access the document. And this one here, the auth service, going to check if it's authenticated. If it's authenticated, ang tanaw sa akong tutorial ba no kay nung naman ning atching. So it's authenticated. You will have to be prompted with the log out button, and then the logout parameter is getting uh, the just the location of your website, and then if not, it will not display this button here, but instead it's going to display this portion here, and it will get presented with a login button. And then when you log in this one, this is already in the library of auth0, and then if you have a value in your auth user, it will be presented here. And now we want to check, but luckily the previous recording was not, I haven't recorded the um, previous, like how I coded it, because I have some things that needs to be changed, like for example the name here. This I will name this one here for the, it says auth 0 Angular implementation. So I right now I'm I'm changing the name in okay, so I went to Auth0 page and changed the name of the of the single page application that I created so that will be um so that there will be no proprietary names that will be presented here in our video. Proprietary name or like Wall Street name or I don't know. Okay, so it's now running. Let's go to localhost. So we have to log out because this one is already logged in. Let's go to localhost again. Okay, so here, so this one here is this log in our this one here, log in, and if we log in, up, it's already logged in. Should be percent. How do we clear the cache or history? History, right? Then this one, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. I then log out, and then log in again. Oops. Um, how about how do we? Is it saving here? I wanted to forget. Okay, let's search. Or maybe let's just use another um browser. Okay, let's close this. Let's try another browser. Let's log in. Yeah, it's now here presented with this one here. And then you can sign in with Google. And then voila, this is your email address. All right, so cool. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And ciao.